I'm in the car driving to a town quite nearby Eindhoven. It's called Roermond, and I'm going to do a pickup today of quite a big lot, ZX Spectrums. This guy contacted me and he got my name from someone who I sold some equipment to in the past. Anyway, when I'm doing these trips, I like listening to AM radio. There's a French channel on midwave, which is quite nice. It gives me a nostalgic feeling. The weather is good, my hay fever isn't, so I'm in tears. But we're almost there, 10 minutes, 5 minutes, what is it? And let's see what this guy has for me.
A few moments later.
So I picked up a lot. I visited John, his wife, in Roermond, and it was a really nice conversation we had. Got some coffee and spoke about what he did with ZX Spectrums in the past. He told me he visited meetings in Houten, which is near Utrecht, which I visited a lot back in the days, around 85 or something like that. Father back then, and maybe we've seen each other in the past, but I don't remember. And I was I think 12 or 13 years old or something like that back in the days. And he was cleaning up his attic and found all the stuff, and someone told him that I might be interested, so he contacted me. And of course I'm interested in these cool machines. So it's quite cool stuff which I picked up. So let's do an unboxing tomorrow night when I'm doing the ByteDelight show and show all the stuff. But I will show you what I picked up in a moment. Make a small video of the boxes. Let's see what we got in today. Some books and tape players. But here's the huge lot. Some boxed stuff here. Books, more toastracks underneath. A couple of Opus Discovery sets. Not sure if they're complete. Nice ZX Spectrum 48 and a hard keyboard and some more stuff. But if you really want to know, then make sure you watch the show tomorrow on Friday, 6 o'clock UK, 7 o'clock Dutch time. See you later.